Welcome to the video presentation of CNC Simulator product. In this video we are showcasing the DT module, which is the desktop machine, a hardware module of our simulator product. This product offers a unique interface of the MOP, machine operating panel connected with the desktop or laptop, to view the 3D simulation. We have multiple options of MOP suitable for various CNC control systems, such as Siemens, Fanuc, Mitsubishi, Heidenhain. They are available for CNC turning, CNC milling, and can be offered for 4th axis, 5th axis and turn mill programming also. In this DT simulator module, we have various mode selector switches such as Edit, Auto, MDI, Handle Jog, Rapid, and Zero Return mode. Depending on our requirements, we can easily switch between these modes. Let me demonstrate by first moving the turret to its home position. We'll select the Zero Return mode and press the X-axis button, followed by the Z-axis button. You will notice the turret smoothly moving to its home position. Next, we will prepare our workpiece by entering its dimensions into the material input box and selecting the tools we'll need from the 8 or 12 station tool turret. Moving on to tool offset function, we navigate to the MDI, input RPM, and press the cycle start button. Then, using the hand wheel, we move the tool close to the workpiece for taking the offset measurements of the workpiece diameter and face. These values will be set in our offset page for accurate machining. Once the preparations are completed, we'll create a CNC program as per our requirements in the edit mode. Now, let's run the program in single block mode to ensure everything is running smoothly. If all goes well, we then switch the mode selector key to auto mode and run the program. You observe the cutting process in the 3D interface, and see the program executing on the control panel screen. If something went wrong, collision detection alarm will appear. Congratulations! You have now mastered CNC programming and CNC operation, without risk of causing accidents or damage to man or machine.